Hello, sorry about the lighting, I just got back from work. So here's the machine in question. On this side here, looks like there were collets to be held of different types. God knows what types they were. There's this number here, I don't know how that helps. There is a vernier scale there. I assume that this was some kind of distance setting device, that then the collets went from here into here, and then if I just back out, you'll see that this lever makes it go up and down. This lever sets the travel on the depth, and collets go in there for grinding on the flat of the wheel. This here is the diamond dresser, so you'll see that it works on a, I don't know what you call it. There's a guiding so that you get a convex angle on the stone, and here it is up and running. Very, 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 very quiet, very smooth. Let's have a go. Let's feed the diamond dresser in, making contact slowly, 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 and then you'll see it extend to make the curve. It looks like this little bar here could be changed to any profile on how you want to dress the wheel. It weighs about 45 kilos. For your edification, that way is probably more helpful. Yeah, it's just whatever it is, machine that grinds things in a certain way. I have no idea how. I was going to turn it into a end mill sharpening device or something, and if I don't get enough money for the machine, I may still do that, because it's a Warren and Brown, which is pretty skookum, and it's got some nice little things that I'm sure I can do something with. But if you'd like to buy it, let me know. I did ring Warren and Brown about this machine and gave them the part number, and they didn't have a record of it. So this was obviously custom made for a client for some reason. I put the word out on some forums, and I was told that it was probably, what was it, either a valve grinder or a valve lifter grinder. People more educated than me will know what it actually is. Okay. Bless.